The start of the school year approaches. Some schools are starting to roll out their plans to keep students, teachers, and staff safe as the coronavirus continues to spread across our state. So today, the Arizona Educators Association is expected to release a report from their newly appointed task force focused on COVID-19. Team 12's Jen Wahl joins us live now. And Jen, this is big news for a lot of parents who are sending their kids back to school. What are we expected to learn about the new report?
Yeah, good morning to you. A lot of parents talking about this for sure, sharing their concerns and ideas for their own children getting ready to head back to school. So the Arizona Educators Association, the state's largest teachers union, says their task force has been working on a new vision for Arizona schools during the coronavirus pandemic. Last month, the Arizona Education Association approved the task force. Since then, they say AEA staff took input from more than 150 educators from across our state. The collaboration came from districts of all sizes, representing all types of diversity in Arizona schools. The AEA says they'll continue to meet as new ideas and data come up. They also have plans to hear from parents moving forward. The Arizona Department of Education guidance for schools to reopen leaves operation and safety plans up to local school leaders. And since then, we've seen several schools release their plans for the new school year. We've also heard from districts reaching out to parents, sending out surveys and saying, share your ideas and your thoughts with us. So for all of that information, go to our website, 12news.com, plus stay with us as we continue to update you on this story with what the AEA says. For now, we're live in Phoenix. Jen Wahl, Today in AZ.